I have the juice from 4 pounds of mussels. Got a leftover mussel. Just so I could show you that it was a black mussel. And we got some Ronzoni Garden Delight Veggie Tricolor Penne Rigate. And we're going to cook it right in the juice, and it is the most flavorful pasta way to cook a pasta you've ever had. Wait for it, and we're going to cook it with the lid on. And it just came to a boil. When you stir it, ooh, that's how you could tell. The pasta's still hard, so we're just going to shut it off, put it back on the stove, let it just sit there for about 10 minutes, and then cook it back up again. All right. What do you know? I just made the most efficient al dente pasta on the planet. I used the least amount of energy. Look, we got a little sauce in there right there. Cooked perfectly. Brought it to a boil. Seen the bubbles. Didn't wait for it to gush out the sides, out the top. And just shut it off. Put the lid on. It's been about 10 minutes. Well, actually, you want to know exactly how long it's been? Because I don't have a clock here. I have Venom in. I watched all the trailers on Venom. And now it says play movie. Look at that. That is perfect. Now we're going to taste. We're going for the spinach. Look how it just gently collapses in my hands. Perfect. That is the most flavorful pasta you will ever eat. I don't have to add anything to it. You just go out and buy juice and cook pasta in juice, and it's wow. Unless you're a vegetarian, don't eat. But that is amazing. Yummy. Most efficient pasta ever cooked on the planet. All the chefs you watch on TV got nothing on me. Yummy. That's my dinner. Love you.